Hey folks, it's Don from Gaining Strength, and finally got an opportunity to really give a decent test to my new Xero boots. Of course, I didn't need snow boots when I was living in Arizona because I was in the desert most of the time, but when I got here I needed to buy a pair of boots, so I decided to get the Xero boots. They're as close to a barefoot style boot that you can get. So I'm out walking in the snow. We finally got a decent amount of snow here. Really nice out here. Here, let me see if I can give you a picture of my boots. Yep, so there's the Xero boot, and yeah, so the Xero boot is alleged to be waterproof. So far I've worn it in moisture, but not a really severe test, and we had only small amounts of snow so far, and they're insulated, and I can tell you right now my feet are very warm. It's supposed to be insulated. I think the number is as good till 25 below. We won't get snow like, or temperature like that here in Michigan, bar global freezing. But I have walked in them quite a bit, and I like them much better than any other boot I've ever worn. The sole is very flexible, as I'll kind of demonstrate here. So there's no crimping, and there's no sense of like walking with blocks on your feet. It's obviously not exactly like going barefoot, but for a boot, it's the most flexible sole that I've ever used. And so here I am walking. We've probably gone about,
that's at least 3 inches, 2-3 inches.
Few hundred feet so far, something like that. Feet are still warm, and don't have any leaks so far. So good traction. I'd say we got about maybe 4 inches of snow so far, and the sole's got a good tread, so it's gripping pretty well in this snow. I'm liking that. The upper is very flexible as well, as opposed to in previous years I owned leather boots. Takes a long time to break them in, and they're not that waterproof. In the end, got to keep treating them with neat's foot oil or something else to keep them from leaking. Anyways, these boots I bought them, I think they were a little over $100. I don't remember. I'll post the exact number if I can find it. And I'm really liking it. So I'm gonna finish this walk, and maybe I'll give you a update at the end. All right, well, we took a walk, talked with some neighbors, cleaned our driveway, helped a neighbor, and I don't know how long I've been out here, but my feet are still toasty and dry. So I'm going to give these boots a 5-star rating for what I need them for. At this time, I was dealing with Midwest snow. No leaks, plenty warm, very comfortable. Highly recommend them. If you're interested in these boots, you can click through the link that I'm going to put in the description box below and check out the other shoes by Xero Shoes. I don't have one of their conventional shoes, but after my experience with these boots, I'm certainly going to, I'm almost certainly going to buy a new pair of their regular walking, running shoes, or whatever they call them, sports shoes. So Xero Shoes winter boots, 2 thumbs up.